This is the third part. Here we will calculate gross profit or loss. Okay, that means it is an income statement. So here I'll show you today the first part of income statement, which is called trading account section. Okay, so in our previous two lessons we calculated in the first part prime cost, and in the second part we figure out cost of production. In the income statement section here we will take cost of production. Okay, so I'll recommend you watch our second part, then you come back here. Otherwise you will not understand how we calculated cost of production. Yeah. Okay, so here income statement, what is the first item to be recorded? It is revenue. Yeah. So revenue is given on the question, which is taken from IGCSE accounting past paper. So before we write up here, let us have a look at the question. Hilary owns a manufacturing business. She has provided the following information. So here we see inventory at 1st August 2022. Here we see raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. It is $24,234. Okay. So then at the end of the question, we have 5 adjustments. We have taken this all adjustments here in our previous two lessons. Okay. So as it is a manufacturing business account, so there are some finished goods related items, some work in progress related items, and some raw material related items. Okay. Raw material related items will never be taken here in the income statement. Okay. This will be taken to the manufacturing account. Okay, so here we will take only finished goods related item. So how to calculate gross profit or loss? So first of all we will write the sales revenue, and from this revenue we will subtract cost of sales. Okay, or cost of goods sold. Okay, whatever you call. So we have sales revenue on the question. Let us write here revenue. So here we see for the year ended 31st July 2023. So here we see revenue $457,250. Okay, so let us write this revenue first of all here in the outer column. Okay, $457,250. Okay, so from this revenue, if we have sales returns, we will subtract. Okay, so in this question we do not have sales returns. Okay, so we don't need to do anything, but in your exam what comes you don't know. Okay, so if you see sales returns, you need to subtract from the revenue. Okay, great. Now from the revenue, if we subtract cost of sales, we will be able to figure out our gross profit or loss. So let us write here minus or less cost of sales. So now question is how to calculate cost of sales. So this is not complicated. Cost of sales equal to opening inventory of finished goods plus cost of production plus purchase of finished goods minus purchase returns of finished goods plus carriage inwards of finished goods minus closing inventory of finished goods equal to cost of goods sold or cost of sales. So we see here all finished goods related item will be included. So here you have at a time raw materials and work in progress. Do not take them. Okay, only finished goods. We see many students make mistake in the exam. So here on the question we have opening inventory of finished goods. Let us write here first item opening inventory of finished goods. So here on the question we see inventory at 1st August 2022. So here we see finished goods, it is $24,235. Okay, this is the opening inventory. So we will write here $24,235. Okay, Now we will write cost of production. Yeah, we calculated in our previous tutorial. Please watch that one, then you come back here. So let us write here cost of production. So we calculated $267,510. Okay, we have taken this amount from the last tutorial. Okay, this is not given on the question. Okay, point to be noted. Then what to do? Then we need to write the purchase of finished goods. Yeah, so let us write here purchase of finished goods. So it is given on the question. So here we see purchase of raw materials, it is taken. Purchase returns of raw materials, it is also taken. Then purchases of finished goods, we see here it is $23,500. Just after this item we have one more, purchases returns of finished goods, it is $4,700. So purchase returns must be subtracted. Okay, so first of all we write purchases of finished goods, it is $23,500. Okay, so now we will add this all three amounts. Okay, so what you get if we sum up this all three? So here we get $315,245. Okay, the totals. Now we have to subtract all purchase returns. Okay, so let us write here minus or less purchases returns. Okay, so here it was $4,700. So now if we minus, we get 310,535. Okay, so now from this amount, if we subtract our closing inventory of finished goods, we will calculate our cost of sales. Yeah, so let us write here less or minus closing inventory of finished goods. Okay, so this amount is given on the question. So here we see additional information. Number one, inventory at 31st July 2023. Here we see raw materials, work in progress, and last one is finished goods. It is $25,110. Okay, so let us write here 25,110. So now if we minus this amount from this, we will get our cost of sales. So what is our cost of sales? So here it is $285,435. Okay, so our cost of sales. Now if we subtract cost of sales from the revenue, we will get our gross profit. How gross profit? Because our revenue is much greater than cost of sales. So what you get if we subtract this amount from revenue? $171,815. So this is our gross profit. Let us write here gross profit. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare income statement for the manufacturing business.